Hi and welcome to this DCP tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete audio from a video clip using Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, on my desktop I've got this folder, and inside this folder I've got a video clip and an audio clip here. So let's go ahead and open up Adobe Premiere. I'm just going to drag and drop those two elements into the media pool here. Let's drag and drop the video in here. Now let's just say that you're filming at an exhibition, or you're filming a birthday party, or whatever it might be. It might be a business event, could be a Christmas party, anything you like, or it could be some screen capture video, right? So a lot of my stuff is tutorial based, where I'm screen capturing my computer and I'm speaking about what I'm doing. So when I click this play button, you should hear me talking and you see the waveform moving here. So here you can hear me speaking in this particular video clip, but what I want to do, and as an example, is remove the audio and replace it with a different audio. So imagine if this was a business event and you're at an exhibition or something and you're filming and there's a lot of background noise, a lot of people talking. You want to get rid of that audio and replace it maybe with some music, as a good example. So let's click on this video clip. When you click on it, you'll notice whether you click on the audio or the video, both of them get highlighted white. So what we can do is right click on this, right click on the video clip, and then select unlink. And when we unlink them, we can now select the audio or the video separately, like this. Let's click on the audio, then just simply hit the delete key. Now I can drag and drop an audio, a different audio. So this is some music, for example. I'm just going to turn down the volume, so I'm just going to right click on this and go to the audio gain, and I'm going to set it to, let's set it to a default gain of something like -24. I want it to be quite quiet while we're doing this tutorial, right? But now when I play, we should hear some music. So here we can hear the music playing rather than me speaking over the particular video. So I've just made the audio quite quiet because I didn't want it to play too loud while I'm doing this demonstration video. But that's a video clip that we've added. We managed to right click on it and unlink it. Then we deleted the existing audio and we replaced it with a music track, right? And you don't have to do it that way. What you can do also, just as a quick tip, I'm going to select both of these and delete them. Let's just grab that video, the original video, and drag it back on the timeline here. Now let's just say, for example, you want to keep some of the audio but you want to delete some of it as well. So what you can do is just move across the timeline, and we can go and use the cut tool. This is the razor tool here, and we can cut the video maybe here, we can cut it here. Let's just say between these parts, and let's say the beginning part, we didn't want to play the audio, we wanted to play our own music at the beginning and then have the normal audio of you speaking or whatever it might be afterwards. So all we do is just right click. We've cut the clip now, we just right click here, and then we can go to unlink, and we can delete just the first part, just this first part, and you can go and drag and drop a different audio clip, and then we can go ahead and cut that audio in the same position. Selection tool, delete the end part of that audio, and now we can drag our music for that first part of the duration. Then we can just right click, and then we can set the audio gain to something a little bit less. It's a bit too, this would probably be way too loud. I'm going to set it to right -30, which is very quiet, but just as an example, I just want to show you this. So now we've got audio, music playing at the beginning, and then it will have this speech afterwards. Okay, so I hope you find that tutorial useful. That's how you go about using Adobe Premiere to delete specific parts of an audio clip or the whole audio and replace it with something else. That's the end of this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.